Before you start any maintenance for the machine, make sure you unplug it. Maintenance for the coil UV is very simple. If you are using it daily, you will need to change the filter every 3 months. This is found on the back. You just take it out, put a new one in, and throw away your old one. In order to change the UV lights, first you're going to remove the cover. Using the card provided, swipe it like a credit card. In order to remove the light, place your fingers on the metal parts, turn it 1/4 of a turn clockwise, and pull it out. In order to install your new light, place it in, push it, and rotate it 1/4 of a turn counterclockwise. The last step is to put the cover back on, making sure that all 4 corners are snapped in place. As a part of regular maintenance, make sure you wipe any watermarks you see with a wet paper towel. Then use a dry one to wipe it. If the watermarks are light enough, you may be able to just use a dry one, but make sure you don't use any vinegar or chemicals on the machine.